In the summer of TY, I was actually lucky enough to be part of a series that TG Cahir were doing. It was a kids like drama through Irish, and like my Irish at the time was diabolical. Like I watched back the tapes that I sent in, and I was like, no. But yeah, so that was the first kind of experience that I actually had with Irish, and like even when I was there, like I was fine because I would just like learn off my lines and stuff, but like backstage, like I think I was like the only person who wasn't in an Irish school at least, or like
Hmm.
fluent. Like I was just like I did not speak to anyone because I was so terrified that I would mess up
Oh, yeah,
what I was saying and everything. So I stayed very quiet, and then um from like that point on, I kind of, I don't know, like because it was like I'd never been to the Gaeltacht before that. Like I'd missed out on that opportunity. And then I think like I don't know, hearing the language around me and like just seeing everybody communicating with
yeah.
it, like just made me realize like I wanted to do that too. So I
Hmm.
I don't know, like from fifth year onwards I was like, okay, like I actually want to put an effort with this and improve. And I was lucky enough to have a great Irish teacher for
Yeah,
fifth and sixth year, and that really made such a difference.
definitely helps.
Like I
Yeah.
found, yeah, my standard improved so much. And
Hmm.
then also in sixth year we said